Hello, this is going to be the setup video for the SDS011 Python script I wrote for the Raspberry Pi, so we can get your very own SDS11 up and working with a Raspberry Pi so you can start monitoring your own air quality. First I'm going to go over all the needed parts, then the needed software, and then we're going to run through setting it all up. So let's get started. So to get this all working, first we need some pre-existing software. First one I recommend to download is Advanced IP Scanner to get the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, and then we're going to use ModaXterm stored from that IP address we found. We can then use it to connect through SSH connections. And if you don't already have a formatted SD card, you want to download the latest Raspbian package. Recommend the Raspbian Buster with the desktop and recommended software, and when we download that zip you need to put that onto the SD card, and you can do that using a software like balenaEtcher. So if you download all those, we can get started. So assuming you've got a blank SD card, we're just going to set up completely from the basics. The first thing we want to do is put the image and that Raspbian software on the SD card to use in the Raspberry Pi. So we use this software Etcher, and we could simply plug in the SD card, and we want Raspbian full image and flash. Yep. And now it's going to take some time. To get the SD card formatted, we just want to do one thing. We want to go into the SD card, and we want to create a new file called SHH to allow us to use the IP address to log into the Raspberry Pi default. So we're just going to SHH, no dot anything. Just going to say, give us a little thing, we're going to say hi, and then we'll be okay. So just take it out and plug it into your Raspberry Pi and you're good to go. So first let's click start in the IP scanner. It'll take some time. It should come up with all the IP addresses on your local internet. And one of them should say Raspberry Pi, and it should have a little blue icon. So you can see that one, and click on it and we can copy its IP address. Copy. Now with the IP address, let's open up ModaXterm and let's go into a session and get the SHH and paste that IP address. Hit OK. Now it comes up login as, we want to hit Pi, and the password would be Raspberry. Yep. And now we're in. Nice. Now we need to set up the Raspberry Pi. Let's get the upgrades. Boop. Now we want to set up the GPS. So first we're going to install the package. Boop. Sweet. Then we want to go into the GPS and to edit some settings. Neat. So you want to add to the device the USB port it's attached to, TTY ACO, and for the GPSD options, you want to put a -N there. And check that equals true and start demons equals true. That's all good. Now we want to go to sudo, let's see, connie.conf. I can't even say it. I've already had it, but you want to paste this part, clock ssim offset delay to the bottom right there. I've already have. And after that, you want to sudo reboot. Reboot. And the Raspberry Pi will start to reboot, so give it a few seconds. And press R, and it's back on. So Pi. On. Yeah, and we're back in. Nice. Check it's working. Check is active. Active. Nice. You want to say chroma is active. Nice. And then SU. Password press 30. Oh, well, that's that. Inside, it does seem to be working. Except that. The last thing we want to set up is the blinket. Let's copy that. Just and now we want to just download this to our computer. Master, let's go documents, let's pop it in documents. That's documents. See it there. Let's unzip it. SDS-O master. And we're just going to be lazy and just drag that over. And put it in there. Bam, we have the path. And now we want to just download this to our computer. Master, let's go documents, let's pop it in documents. That's documents. See it there. Let's unzip it. SDS-O master. And we're just going to be lazy and just drag that over. And put it in there. Bam, we have the path. Let's list to see what it is. The SDS0-master. So it's CD SDS011. Let's hit tab to go faster. And list the AQ and AQ plot scripts, but we want it working. So CD AQ. List data folder to hold the data files and the scripts in scripts. So we want to CD scripts. And when we want to edit first, we want to go nano variables. So you want to change our Pi name, so let's call it AQ Pi. The folder, what is for the data, that's all correct. Application name, let's call it test block 1. Integration time, the time between data is getting recorded, so let's set that to 5 seconds. That's for check your internet works. And what mode we want? So we want the GPS mode. We have OPC on, it's good. SDS011 run port, that's where SDS11 is connected to. We don't have a temperature sensor, and we do have a blinket. That to put that on, and these are the intervals for the color lights. So that's 10 micrograms per square meter, 20 micrograms per square meter, and 30 micrograms per square meter. So let's save that. Nice. And to get it running, it's simply -start start.py. It should work perfectly. It's flashing. This room is clean. Super clean. As we're inside, the lat longs should be errors because we can't get a GPS inside a room. Let's Control C to get out of this. B error, yeah, I'm trying to stop the code. Keyboard interrupt. Give it a sec. It's taking too long. Let's just restart it. Pi. Okay, let's plug into the Raspberry Pi. And now we want to get it running at startup. So we want to do sudo run tab minus space minus E. Then we go in back to repository and we're going to copy this and paste it. So when you reboot the Raspberry Pi or start it up normally, it's going to run that start script. So let's exit this and save, and sudo boot. So now you should see the Blinkt start to flash. Hopefully it be green, and that indicates that it's all working fine. And that means now you have your very own SDS011 Raspberry Pi personal exposure sensor, and you can go outside and start measuring your own air quality. So enjoy!